Hello all, welcome to another session. Today we will go through a brief introduction on cPanel WHM. So what is cPanel WHM? It is a Linux-based web hosting control panel with a user-friendly graphical interface designed to control and manage web hosting servers. It was developed and designed by John Nick in 1997 and it is now owned by Cpanel Incorporated located in Houston, Texas. Pre-cPanel WHM era. So what was it like before cPanel WHM was introduced into the web hosting industry? Everything was done manually. Account creation, modifying it, deleting it, etc. was really difficult. And to manage a website, the user needed thorough knowledge on Apache, MySQL, DNS, etc. You can imagine a website. Most of them have a database. And before cPanel was introduced, we needed to create these databases manually, create the database users manually, assign privileges manually. So it was a hideous task. And another issue was migrating these websites. The site contents, the database, the email accounts, they needed to be migrated manually, one by one. So it was a bit of a headache for a sysadmin before cPanel was introduced. cPanel and WHM. Even though I was mentioning it as cPanel WHM till now, both cPanel and WHM serves different purposes. WHM, which is a web host manager, it gives administrative, that is a root access to the backend of cPanel. WHM in a nutshell is the account management panel that allows the hosting provider to manage their customers' accounts. Some examples are creating a user account, modifying it, suspending it, deleting it, etc. are controlled by WHM. Whereas cPanel is the site management panel where each individual account holder controls the settings for their particular account or website. Creating email accounts, managing their files, changing the permission of their files, etc. are controlled via cPanel. User roles. Root. Ultimate user with all privileges. As I said before, WHM has root access and all its privileges. Since it needs to control and manage core utilities like Apache, MySQL, etc., root privilege is a must for WHM. Then there is cPanel user, which is the user of the hosting account, which can be used as the username for cPanel, that is accessing cPanel, SSH, FTP, and MySQL access, etc. Then there is the reseller. cPanel user with additional privileges who can create account, modify account, suspend account, etc. are called resellers. cPanel WHM interface. So how can we access the cPanel and WHM via a browser? So in case of WHM, the port is 2086. So the URL will be HTTP server name or the server IP :2086. In case of cPanel, the port is 2082. So the URL will be HTTP domain name or the domain IP :2082. Both WHM and cPanel has SSL secure ports. For WHM it is 2087, for cPanel it is 2083. And here HTTPS is used in case of HTTP. So that's it. I hope you understood. Thank you.